Hey, welcome back to another episode of Willis Talk, and we're looking at a Chevy Impala 1960. Oh, she's a block beauty, she is, with a nice right engine. And look at that interior. Now that is some wicked interior looking. Wickedly good, that is. Whoa, check out that trunk. That's like a full-size bed almost trunk. And it's part of the American Street Masters. They're a local club here in Albany. And it looks like it's owned by a vet. A veteran, that is. Not a veterinarian. Don't be silly. Even though some vets could be veterinarians. Ooh, I wonder what that is. RCA Victor. No, I don't. Maybe that's a record player. I'll let you know if I find the owner. It kind of looks like maybe it is a car record player. Until the next episode of Willis Talk, stay tuned for more of everything